I just stumbled upon this AI dev task workflow, and it's like a game changer for feature development. You can literally break everything down step by step.
Wait, really? Like you can guide the AI through creating a whole feature. That sounds super structured.
Exactly, it starts with a product requirement document or PRD. You outline what you want, and then it helps create a detailed task list.
A task list. That's interesting because it seems like a way to keep everything manageable. What happens next?
Well, once you have that task list, you can instruct the AI to tackle each task individually. It's all about verification.
So it's not just throwing everything at the wall and seeing what sticks. That's refreshing.
Right? You review each change before moving on, which gives you way more control over the output.
But doesn't that process sound a bit tedious? I mean, reviewing every single step.
I get that, but think about it. This way you can catch errors early. It's like debugging as you go.
True, but is there a chance the AI could get lost in the details? I mean, it's still AI.
Definitely a possibility, but the workflow aims to manage complexity by breaking tasks down into smaller pieces.
That makes sense. So what's the first step in this whole process?
You start by creating that PRD, right? It's basically your blueprint for the entire project.
And how do you create that PRD using AI? Is it complicated?
Not at all, you just use a specific command within your AI tool like at Create PRD, MD, and describe your feature.
That's surprisingly straightforward. I expected it to be more complex.
Yeah, and once the PRD is drafted, you can generate your task list directly from it. Super efficient.
So let's say I'm skeptical of the AI's task generation. Can I modify the tasks it creates?
Absolutely, you can adapt the prompts to fit your needs and even break down tasks further if needed.
That's a relief. It sounds like you're really in the driver's seat.
For sure, once you have the task list, you can instruct the AI to start working through them one by one.
But how do you ensure the AI remembers what it's supposed to be doing?
Good question. You use a file called process task list, MD, which guides the AI on tackling tasks sequentially.
Sequentially, so it waits for your approval before moving on. That's crucial.
Exactly, you get to review each change. If it's good, you just say yes, and it marks the task complete.
That sounds satisfying. So you can actually see progress as you go along.
Totally, with each completed task, you get a visual representation of the feature taking shape.
I can see how that builds confidence in the process. Are there any downsides, though?
Well, sometimes the AI might propose overly complex solutions if tasks aren't clear. That's where good prompts come in.
So it really comes down to how effectively you communicate with the AI.
Yes, the clearer you are with your initial feature description, the better the AI's output will be.
Makes sense. What about tools? Are there specific ones this workflow works best with?
Great question. It's designed to work with any AI coding assistant like Cursor or Claude Code.
I've heard of those. So users basically just need to clone the repository and follow the steps.
Exactly, they set it up, follow the workflow, and they're good to go.
This is such a practical approach. It really democratizes feature development with AI.
Right, and it emphasizes collaboration, turning AI into a partner rather than just a tool.
I love that perspective. It's almost like coding with a buddy who helps you along the way.
Totally, and it encourages agile development by allowing for quick iterations and feedback.
But what if an AI-generated feature needs major changes? Can you pivot easily?
Yes, you can always revise the PRD or specific tasks if the project direction shifts.
That's reassuring. It sounds like a balance of flexibility and structure.
Exactly, so it's not just about churning out code, but also about thoughtful development.
I can't wait to see how this evolves. Are there any resources for getting started?
Yes, there's a video demo available on Claire Vaux's podcast that walks through the whole process.
Nice, I'm definitely checking that out. This whole method is eye-opening.
I know it's like peeling back the curtain on effective AI collaboration.
And it poses an interesting question. How will this impact the future of development?
Exactly, it's a fascinating shift, redefining how we think about programming and problem solving.
I love it. It seems like the perfect blend of human intuition and AI efficiency.
For sure, and it opens up so many possibilities for innovation in software development.